Alright guys, what's up? So just logging this, basically we've got a 2020 Sherco SEF 300 here. The bike got completely submerged in the water and now it won't spark. So we're getting no spark at all. We've tested stator, we've swapped the battery, we've swapped these relays within themselves, but we haven't swapped them with new ones. Just didn't know if anybody else had ran by this issue or not, and if so, could you drop a comment and let us know what it was. I'm getting ready to take some parts off a new bike, swap out a coil, spark plug, the relays, anything else I can easily swap. But yeah, if anybody out there has ran into this issue with the Shercos, if you could please comment and let us know, that'd be great. Also, I have hooked this up to the Sherco diagnostic computer, which you hook up by putting a jumper right here and plugging the computer in right here. And the computer acts like it's communicating with the bike, but when I can't turn any actuators on. You know, I try to run the fuel pump or run an injector or turn the fan on, and the computer says it's doing it successfully, but it doesn't actually do anything on the bike. I get no noises, I get no fuel pump priming, so I'm really just a little perplexed on this one. Yes, I've checked grounds, everything looks fine. Yeah, so if you come by anything like this and you can comment down below, then that'd be helpful. Thanks, Sherco guys. See you in the next one.